Pregnancy is a time of immense change and development. A mother's body undergoes remarkable transformations to support the growing fetus. The developing baby is entirely dependent on the mother's health. Maternal infections refer to infections that a mother develops during pregnancy. These infections can be caused by various pathogens. Certain infections can have serious consequences for the developing fetus. By being aware of infections and preventive measures, expectant mothers can protect themselves and their unborn children. The immune system is our body's natural defense system, protecting us from harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria. During pregnancy, the mother's immune system undergoes significant changes to accommodate the developing fetus. One crucial adaptation is a shift towards a more tolerant state. This shift is essential because the fetus carries half of its genetic material from the father, making it partially foreign to the mother's immune system. To prevent rejection of the fetus, the mother's immune system dampens its responses, creating a more accepting environment. However, this immune tolerance can also make pregnant women more susceptible to certain infections. Studies have shown that elevated levels of certain cytokines in the womb are associated with an increased risk of developmental disorders, including autism spectrum disorder. Autism spectrum disorder is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by difficulties with social interaction, communication, and repetitive behaviors. The causes of autism spectrum disorder are multifaceted and not fully understood, but research suggests that both genetic and environmental factors play a role. Maternal infections during pregnancy have emerged as a potential environmental factor contributing to autism spectrum disorder risk. Several studies have investigated the association between maternal infections and autism spectrum disorder, with a particular focus on infections in the first trimester. One large-scale study found that pregnant women who had a severe infection requiring hospitalization during their first trimester were more likely to have a child later diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder. One possibility is that the mother's immune response to infection, particularly the release of inflammatory molecules, can disrupt fetal brain development during critical periods. Another hypothesis focuses on the direct effects of certain pathogens on the developing fetal brain. The timing of maternal infection during pregnancy is crucial in determining its potential impact on the developing fetus. The first trimester in particular is a period of rapid cell division and organ formation, making it a highly sensitive window for disruptions. Infections during this early stage can have profound and long-lasting effects on fetal development. Studies have consistently shown that maternal infections in the first trimester are associated with an increased risk of autism spectrum disorder and other neurodevelopmental disorders. This association is particularly strong for infections that trigger a robust immune response, leading to elevated levels of inflammatory molecules in the womb. While the first trimester is considered the most vulnerable period, infections in the second trimester can also impact fetal brain development. Infections in the third trimester, while less likely to cause major structural abnormalities, can still pose risks to the fetus. Preventing maternal infections. Safeguarding pregnancy health. Preventing maternal infections is crucial for ensuring a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby. While not all infections are preventable, expectant mothers can take proactive steps to minimize their risk and protect themselves and their unborn children. Vaccinations are one of the most effective ways to prevent infections. Vaccines work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of a virus or bacteria into the body, prompting the immune system to produce antibodies without causing the actual disease. These antibodies provide long-lasting protection against future infections. Regular hand washing with soap and water, especially before eating, after using the restroom and after being in public places, can significantly reduce the spread of germs. Avoiding exposure to people who are sick is crucial during pregnancy. The role of fever and inflammation in fetal development. Fever is a common symptom of infection. Crucial in the body's defense, it releases chemicals that increase body temperature, creating an inhospitable environment for microbes. High fever during pregnancy can pose risks to the developing fetus. The fetal brain is vulnerable to high temperatures, especially in the first trimester. Excessive inflammation can have detrimental effects on the developing fetus. Navigating the uncertainties, ongoing research and future directions. While research has shed light on the potential link between maternal infections and autism, many questions remain unanswered. Ongoing research is crucial for deepening our understanding of this complex relationship and developing effective strategies to mitigate risks. One area of active research focuses on identifying specific pathogens that may be more likely to contribute to ASD risk. By pinpointing these culprits, researchers can develop targeted interventions such as vaccines or antiviral medications to reduce the risk of infection and its potential consequences. Another research priority is understanding the intricate interplay between genes and the environment in ASD development. Further research is also needed to explore the potential long-term effects of maternal infections on child health. Conclusion. Understanding the complexities of autism. Risk factors. The potential link between maternal infections and autism highlights the complex interplay of genetic and environmental factors in neurodevelopmental disorders. While maternal infections are just one piece of the puzzle, understanding their role is crucial for developing effective prevention and intervention strategies. Expectant mothers can take proactive steps to minimize their risk of infection, such as getting vaccinated, practicing good hygiene, and avoiding exposure to sick individuals. By investing in research, we can move closer to a future where all children have the opportunity to reach their full potential. Subscribe for more. Next video, environmental toxins and autism. Thank you for watching. Together we can better understand autism and support those impacted by it. For more information and resources on autism, subscribe to our channel U2 Autism. Let's make a difference together.